Gyanvapi Mosque survey report has been filed in the Varanasi court. The court-appointed commissioner submitted a chip with video footage regarding that survey that's been taking place. To get more details on this, we have my colleague Alok Pandey joining us. Alok, so finally, the footage has been submitted in court.
Well, it's not just the footage, it is also the report. You see, the court had asked for a report about the Gyanvapi Mosque filming. It is that report that has been submitted in 3 folders, I am told. At the same time, a chip has also been submitted, which contains videos and photographs from the time of the filming inside the mosque. Just to give our viewers a little bit of a background about why this is taking place and what has happened today. So the court in Varanasi, I'm standing outside that court. This court in Varanasi, behind me, a civil judge inside, had asked for a survey and filming inside the Gyanvapi Mosque based on a petition by 5 women who want permission to worship what they call are idols of Hindu gods and goddesses inside the mosque complex. Now that filming took place a few days ago, but after that, there were leaks to the media that basically suggested that a purported shivling was found in a pond used for wuzu inside the mosque. The court then asked for that pond to be sealed off and also replaced one of the main commissioners appointed to oversee the survey. So the new commissioner who had to present the survey report, his name is Vishal Singh. He's an advocate who was appointed by the court to now lead the survey. He has gone and presented his survey report before this court. Now, in small mercies, if I can say that, he has gone without showing that report to anyone in the media or leaking it to anyone. He has gone straight to the court, taken those files inside, gone into the chamber of the judge and submitted it there. When he came out, he hasn't spoken about what the contents of the report in terms of describing them, but he said that it took him a lot of time, which is obvious. It took him a full 3 days to prepare the report. He says that it's an exhaustive report. He also says, like I pointed out, that they have also submitted a chip that has videos and photographs, of the area that was filmed within the mosque. So, at least in this instance, procedure appears to have been followed. The next step will be that this court here will take up that report, present it to both the parties. It remains to be seen whether that report will be shared to both the parties or whether, the court will want to first read it and then share it to both the parties. So that is something on which we await word. But yes, the fact that the report has been submitted here to the court is important to reflect. There are a bunch of other petitions that are likely to be heard by this court a little later in the afternoon. One of them is a plea by 3 of the original 5 petitioners, and they want more access and more filming inside the mosque, including, they say, breaking down a wall of the mosque to get access to a place where they believe, more evidence of, the presence of Hindu gods and goddesses or their idols can be found. So this is what is happening in court right now. But that report, as you pointed out, and that the chip with videos and photographs has certainly been submitted to court.